Welcome! Today we will learn step by step the process of making creamy blueberry ice cream, an artisanal product that combines quality, freshness, and flavor.
Receptions of raw materials. We begin with the receptions of raw materials. These are stored in appropriate conditions to ensure the freshness and safety before being used. At this point, quality tests of perfume to ensure the safety and freshness of the product.
Pasteurization of milk. The milk undergoes pasteurization process where it is treated to eliminate pathogenic microorganisms and ensure a safe product.
Weighing blueberries. They are then carefully weighed as ingredients according to the product's formulation. Blueberries, sugar, powdered milk, milk cream.
Addition of raw material and mixing. Next, add the ingredients to a bowl using a spatula, mixing until you get a homogeneous base. Cream addition. Then the cream is added in the appropriate proportion, achieving a creamy and more consistent texture 37%. Jam preparation. The fruit is cooked at control temperature, releasing its juice and energizing the natural flavor of the blueberry. Add sugar and the other ingredients according to the recipe. The mixture is further cooked until the desired consistency is reached. The jam is concentrated until it reaches the thick uniform texture that characterizes it.
Addition of jam. Mix until a homogeneous mixture is obtained.
Mixed. Using cow which mix the ingredients until they are incorporated and homogeneous mixture is obtained. Packing. Even with the creamy mixture, we packing to make the process easier. Freezing. The product is a which allows the product to be maintained in freshness and safety. This is how the process of our creamy side ends, made with quality, freshness, and dedication.